Welcome to CTDI World. Looking for a cost reduction opportunity? Contact CTDI Juarez and start saving now. Founded in 1975, CTDI is a full-service global engineering, repair, and logistics company providing best-cost solutions to the communications industry, with 43 branches around the globe, being CTDI Juarez one of them. Strategically located in a free trade zone, Juarez-El Paso border, CTDI Juarez provides the most advanced technology and highly qualified repair service in the industry. Our core foundation is based on the key principles of hard work, technical expertise, and strict standards of customer satisfaction. CTDI offers a unique set of services aimed at reducing manufacturing costs and improving production efficiency, maintaining a world-class quality and cost-efficient operation. CTDI offers PCB debug and repair services over a range of products, including cell phones, PC-based products, STBS, broadband access network, digital media system, and satellite receivers. We focus on the PCB itself, offering in-depth component analysis and repair. Our services are unique in that we can combine the debug service with a component recovery program, which reduces the overall cost of the repaired unit. CTDI Juarez is currently handling the following products: Integrated Digital Enhanced Network, Global and Public Safety. Juarez has expertise repairing cable modem for the most competitive brands. Set-top boxes, Cable Modem Terminal System, Repair, Level 1, 2 and 3 Electronic Repair, Hardware and Software Upgrades, Cosmetic Repair and Refurbish. Our facility is fully ISO 9001-2000 accredited and fully ESD compliant. We use the latest software-controlled repair stations to ensure accurate profile settings for the most complex repairs. CTDI offers a fast turnaround and cost-effective service for PCB rework and repair, BGA repair, column grid array, X-ray inspection, pad and track repair, engineering change notices, misloads, PCB assembly and inspection. CTDI Juarez also provides a full range of warehousing and distribution services to assist in the development and expansion of a profitable growth strategy. Improved service, reduced costs, and enhanced performance are the goals of our warehousing and distribution center in El Paso, Texas. CTDI El Paso has the ability to manage and distribute all your products globally. Current services at El Paso, Texas are domestic and international shipping and receiving, customer service, OEM vendor service, stocking, warehousing, and rekitting. CTDI's goal is to enhance your business and make your life easier. A winning offer. CTDI is proud of the world you have built. The journey has begun.